Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Good Vibes by Nidhi. So if you are new here, I am Nidhi Wahi. I am an artist and I create lots of DIYs and art related videos on my channel. So do subscribe, and in today's video I am going to make this beautiful hand paint dress. If you are interested in watching, then please continue watching. So this is my dress which got some rust stains on it. So I thought to cover it with fabric painting. So let's do it. Place a butter paper under the fabric so that the color doesn't transfer at the back side. You can draw some flower shapes with the help of pencil. I am going to make a floral panel on it because I want to cover these two stains. I am starting with the white color and a round brush. Make sure you draw with a very light hand on fabric, and let's start making petals. As you can see, I am making very easy strokes so that anyone can try this design. I am making one flower in front of you just to show you how light the drawing should be. Now I am making background with chrome yellow color. Let's make some leaves now. As you can see, I am just applying a little pressure on my brush to make these beautiful leaves. Keep adding more and more leaves to give it a fuller look. Now I am using dark brown color to do the detailing of flower. You don't need to outline it completely. I am adding more and more little details in my flowers. It's almost done now. I'm just adding few last details. You can use this design on your kurtis, dupattas or even on your cushion covers and it will look extremely pretty. If you have any suggestions, drop a comment below. I love reading your beautiful comments. If you are liking my efforts, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have come till here, thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel Good Vibes by Nidhi, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, do take care of yourself, keep creating art and lots of love. Bye.